Dude, I come back from school just to see probably the most rarest warning, like, I've ever seen. They issued a fire warning?
Up to 55 miles an hour.
They issued a fire warning when I was at school today.
80%. Temperatures up to 86. Impacts. Any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. Severity. Fuels irked. 80th-90th percentile. 4 out of 5. Weather. Elevated. 1 out of 5. Fire environment. 5 out of 10. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures.
You've got to be kidding me. I come back to school.
Evacuate areas east of Cushing immediately due to wildfire. A large wildfire is threatening areas from the intersection.
Oh yeah, I missed an evacuation immediate thing too.
Northward to the southeast of Yale. Residents in this area should leave immediately and travel toward either the east or west. Do not drive into smoke. Evacuate quickly and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials.
That's crazy.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services and Payne County Emergency Management.
Dude, what?
At 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles east of Cushing.
You gotta be kidding me.
Rapidly northeast at 2 miles an hour.
I come back to school
Smoke and fire
just to see like two of the rarest warnings.
99 east of Cushing. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including...
I don't know if they tone red flag warnings, do they?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma...
Wait, there's another one?
...and Logan County Emergency Management...
Logan County?
...in western Logan counties. At 2:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 3 miles north of Cashion, moving rapidly north at 2 to 3 miles an hour.
Jeez.
Areas impacted, Twin Lakes, and areas along and north of Highway 33. Evacuations. Residents of Twin Lakes, from County Line to Castle, north to County Road 75, should evacuate to the gas station at Highways 33 and 74. Additional information, smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Residents of Crescent should monitor and prepare to evacuate if needed. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials.
That is insane.
Drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire. Red flag warning in effect until 8 p.m.
Yeah, I don't know if they issued the red flag warning, so I'm just not gonna count it.
For North Central Oklahoma.
Oh, but holy crap! Fire warnings and an evacuation immediate. Literally while I was at school. Are we ever gonna see that again? I do not think so. You have got to be kidding me. That is insane. I'm home alone too. Dude, they did. They've 2 evacuations. What the frick? What? Okay, look. Fire warning. Evacuation immediate. Wind thing. Another evacuation immediate. Red flag warning. Fire warning. Dude, what is going on? I have never seen this before. Ever. There's no shot. Evacuation immediate. It's probably for Logan County. No, it's for Cushing again. It's for Payne County again. They issued 2 for Payne. Wait, it's the same evacuation! It's the same times! So why the frick did they issue it twice? That's weird. Still though, are you kidding me? That is insane. literally insane. Like, really? And all that, like, all of these warnings are in my coverage area, too. How are we ever gonna get this again? I don't think so. At least not for a while. Cause oh my gosh, that is crazy. I literally noticed one of the evacuation immediate and one of the fire warnings while I was at school, and like, holy crap, dude! All the stuff, and I wasn't even in school for it. Jeez, man. Today's on fire, literally. It came from this. We aren't even in the freaking risk. And we're still getting fires. What? Dude, that is crazy to me. That is actually so insane to me. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh.
Norman has issued a
fire warning!
Of Lincoln County Emergency Management.
Lincoln County!
Lincoln County. At 3:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles south of Wellston, near Highway 102, moving rapidly north. Evacuation areas along and near Sunset.
Are we gonna get another evacuation imminent thingy?
Evacuate. Additional information: avoid Highway 102.
Okay.
Do not drive into areas of smoke. Evacuate quickly and follow all safety instructions from local emergency.
Dude, there's wildfires everywhere. This is the third one today.
Red flag warning in effect until...
That's the third one today. That's the third flipping one today. Dude! This is insane! This is like the rarest moment in this channel's history. What is going on? I am expecting another evacuation immediate thingy now. Cause oh my gosh. Dude! And I'm still kind of sick. Gosh. Dude! Are you serious? I actually got one this time? I got a fire warning. You know how rare fire warnings are? I don't even know, but all I know is that's pretty freaking rare. That's all I know. Is that's rare. That's all I know. Oh my gosh. That's incredible that I actually got that. Well, the third one since I got back from school. Because the other 4 things was in school. And this one's not. So, holy crap, dude. We got 3 wildfires going on right now. Dude! Like, oh my gosh. This is definitely a turn of events. Dude. You've got to be kidding me, bro. That's insane. Gosh. I should win the lottery right now. That's actually so rare, I think. What is it? Immediate evacuation! Holy crap! What is going on?
Evacuate areas east of Cushing immediately due to wildfire. A large wildfire is threatening areas between Schlegel Road and Highway 99 east of Cushing,
knew it!
southeast of Yale. Residents in this area should leave immediately and travel north away from the fire. Do not drive into smoke. Evacuate quickly and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials.
Jeez.
in effect
Holy
until 8 p.m.
crap!
Central Daylight Time.
That's like the rarest thing ever! Dude! No way I got that! It's not an iBot. Is it bugged? Did that just bug right there? You gotta be kidding me. I'm just speechless right now. I am just incredibly speechless right now. There is no way that I got a fire warning and a freaking evacuation immediate! You kidding me? It said South Cushing? Does it just repeat the same run over and over again for safety measures? And atones that? I don't even know, but we got one anyway. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I already know he's off school right now. Another what? What? What is going on? My neighbors are loving me right now. My neighbors love me.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for southeastern Payne County.
That's
At
different.
4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles east of Cushing, moving north at 2 to 3 miles an hour. Areas impacted along and north of Highway 33 east of Cushing. Another fire was located 4
Dude,
miles
pick up. I'm
southeast of
getting
Yale.
fire warnings.
Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property along and north of Highway 33 between Cushing and Yale. Evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.
Am I dreaming? Am I freaking dreaming?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued
Am
a
I
fire warning at the
dreaming?
request of Lincoln County Emergency.
Holy crap! Am I dreaming? Please pick up. I like the new spooky sounds that they added to this app. Probably should have asked that first, actually. Dude. I genuinely feel like I'm dreaming. Genuinely. I feel like I'm dreaming right now. Like, there's no way I'm actually getting this. There's no way! Jeez! Such freaking wildfires today! Jeez! We aren't even in the fire risk and we're getting all of this crap! We're not even in elevated, we're in limited! Which is also known as none. So how the frick are we getting this? Oh my gosh! You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. I got 2 fire warnings and 1 evacuation immediate. Dude, this is the craziest moment of my life. Oh my gosh. Jeez. I didn't think this would continue on until this time, bro. I didn't think this would continue on. I thought it would just stop the moment I freaking get to school. I mean, get back home. But okay. Sheesh. I'm not even holding this sideways anymore. Oh yeah. Another thing. Tomorrow is going to be a pretty big day as well. So let's be ready for that, guys. October 30th, Wednesday. I might end up starting a live stream that day, to be honest. If I get fire warnings and evacuation stuff literally in that live stream, you guys are probably going to be as freaking confused as I am right now, because there's no way I got that right now. No way I got 2 fire warnings and 1 evacuation immediate warning. Well, it's not even a warning. It's like a, you guys better watch out or something. I don't even know. But, oh my gosh. Holy freaking crap. We're getting EVIs up here. Is it even listed on here because of that? I don't even think it is. But still, over here. Yeah, right there. Evacuation immediate. I'm Payne. Like, how much rarer can this get, my guy? How much rarer can this get? Look, there's a wildfire right there. There's a wildfire right there. There's an immediate evacuation right there. The green. The green. With another wildfire behind that. Where's the 4th one then, though? Is it this massive one? Because I might end up meeting 2 of them. But still, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. I need a little bit after that. Unless we get another one.
This is for Eastern Kingfisher and Western Logan counties.
Kingfisher and Logan.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles west of Cimarron City, moving rapidly north at 2 to 3 miles an hour. Areas impacted: Twin Lakes and areas along and north of the Cimarron River. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.
Holy crap. That's a big fire then.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for southeastern Payne County. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located for...
Wow. Wow. Another one, bro. You kidding me? Fire warning! Lincoln County! Jeez. This is crazy.
Wildfire was located 4 to 5 miles
Another
east of
one.
Cushing, moving rapidly north at 2 to 3 miles an hour.
My gosh.
Another dangerous wildfire was located about 5 miles southeast of Yale, also moving north. Areas impacted. Areas near and north of State Highway 33 east of Cushing up to near State Highway 51 east of Yale. Additional information, smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property along and north of State Highway 33 from east of Cushing to near and east of Yale. Be prepared to evacuate
This one's
quickly if
for
requested
Eastern
and
Payne
follow all
too,
safety
where
instructions
the
from local emergency
evacuation
management
order
officials.
was
Do
at.
not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Tonight, mostly...
Wow. That's crazy. Gosh, I'm getting a lot of these. Can't believe that either. Gosh.
So 6 p.m.
Another
Central
one!
Daylight Time.
Eastern Kingfisher in Logan counties.
West of Cimarron City, moving rapidly north at 2 to 3 miles an hour. Areas impacted, Twin Lakes and areas along and north of the Cimarron River. Additional information, smoke and
I can't see a thing. I wish the light wasn't burned out.
Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, today and tonight, strong winds, strong south winds with gusts over 50 miles an hour are expected today. Thunderstorms are possible late tonight, mainly across western Oklahoma. Fire weather, strong south winds and unseasonably hot temperatures will create elevated fire weather conditions this afternoon, especially across the northern half of Oklahoma. Days 2 through 7, Wednesday through Monday, fire weather, gusty southwest winds and unseasonably hot temperatures will create elevated fire weather conditions on Wednesday afternoon. Thunderstorms will be possible across much of the area Wednesday and Wednesday night. A few severe storms will be possible across the eastern half of Oklahoma Wednesday afternoon and evening. Additional thunderstorm chances return Friday night through early next week, with heavy rain the main concern. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. Wind advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? South winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 55 miles an hour. Where? Portions of central, northern, northwest, southwest, and western Oklahoma and northern Texas. When? Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown